Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Now we are seeing east facing 2 BHK house plan of plot size 52 feet by 30 feet, and the overall plot area is about 1772 square feet, and the total built-up area is 2016 square feet. Let's get into the plan for room by room vastu breakdown. Here is our full view of the plan. It is east facing plan, and we have our entrance and hall over here, and we have an outer sit out of size 14 feet 6 inches by 10 feet 6 inches, having an open clean space in the front east area, and it invites good luck. And the massive covered sit out acts as a great porch for morning tea or safe vehicle parking. And because the staircase is outside, you can easily build and rent out the first floor in the future without tenants walking through your ground floor living space. And we have a staircase over here and coming into the home. Our main door is over here, and it is towards the east side. And our in the entrance hall, it is measured in size of 14 feet 6 inches by 17 feet. And the main entrance and living room are in the east or northeast zone. This allows pure morning sunlight to enter the home, and it brings in positive energy, prosperity, and good health. And this is a massive and open concept living space, and right at the front of the house, and it's perfect for welcoming guests and spending time with family without the home feeling crowded. And we have provided our sofa location over here, and opposite to that we have allocated our TV showcase. Let's come into the kitchen from dining space. You can see here, and it is measured in the size of 10 feet by 16 feet. And the kitchen is perfectly placed in the southeast, that is fire zone and Agnimula. And cooking in this corner is the most auspicious placement in Vastu, and it ensuring the family's physical health and keeping cash flow strong. And up to a structural benefit, the open kitchen combining layout saves space and makes serving meals incredibly easy. And it is also directly connected to a handy storeroom of size 4 feet 6 inches by 4 feet, and utility or wash area of size 5 feet by 4 feet, and to keep the messes hidden from the main hall. So this will be benefited with that. And let's come to the master bedroom. Here is the master bedroom, and it is located in the southwest zone, that is earth zone. There is an idea corner, and this is the strongest and heaviest corner of the house, and which brings stability, confidence, and deep rest to the head of the family. So it is usually preferable for the head of the family to rest or sleep here. And a big sleeping position in the south, and we kept our wardrobe in the west as per vastu. And this master bedroom is provided with an attached toilet of size 10 feet by 4 feet. And here the commode is pointed towards south. And as per vastu, it should be pointed towards south or north. And here we kept towards south. And like if this is highly luxurious or oversized bathroom, you can see it here. And coming to the kids' bedroom, it's opposite to the master bedroom here. And it is measured in size of 10 feet by 11 feet. And it is positioned in the northwest zone, that is air zone. And this area promotes movement and active energy, and it's making it the absolute best place for children's growth, study and play. And it is the exact same size as the master bedroom. It is measured size of 10 feet by 11 feet, and it also features its own large attached bathroom with a size of 10 feet by 4 feet, and giving kids or guests their own comfortable and private suite. Coming to the puja room, it is in between both the bedrooms, and the puja room is measured with a size of 4 feet by 6 feet 6 inches. And this prayer is placed so that the idol sit on the west wall. This means you will face the auspicious east direction while praying, which brings mental peace and spiritual clarity. A dedicated quiet space accessible from the central passage and it is beautifully separated from the noisy living room and kitchen areas. So it is advisable to keep it here. And these are the overall plan, and we have our outside common toilet here in the staircase area. And you can get more plans on our website houseplansdaily.com, houseplans.world, and our apps are available on the Google Play Store. House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, PlanNest, and Business apps. We are conducting a 30-day online class on how to create house plans according to Vastu Shastra. If you are interested, please reach out via WhatsApp at 99520 290 632 to join. Thank you.